Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're tired of those constant Uber Eats notifications popping up on your phone, you're in the right place. In this quick guide for 2025, I'll walk you through the simple steps to turn them off, so you can enjoy some peace and quiet. Whether you're on an iPhone or Android, this process is straightforward and only takes a minute or two. Let's dive in. First, open the Uber Eats app on your device. Make sure you're logged in so you can access your settings. Once you're in, look for the profile icon or menu button, usually in the top left or right corner, and tap on it. This will take you to your account settings. Next, scroll down until you find the Notifications or Settings section. It's often under Account or App Preferences. Tap on that, and you'll see a list of notification options. Here, you can customize what kinds of alerts you get, like order updates, promotions, or delivery notifications. To turn them off completely, simply toggle the switch next to Enable Notifications, or select None for the notification types. If you want to be more specific, you can turn off individual categories, such as promotional emails or in-app alerts. Don't forget to save your changes. Most apps will prompt you to confirm. If you're on iOS, you might need to go through your phone's general settings for app-specific notifications. Head to Settings, Notifications, Uber Eats, and from there, you can disable banners, sounds, and badges. For Android users, go to your device's Settings, Apps, Uber Eats, Notifications, and turn off the ones you don't want. And there you have it. That's how you take control of your Uber Eats notifications in 2025. No more distractions while you're working or relaxing. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.